Hey everybody, KP here. Time for another Toolbox lunch. This is what I'm going to be having. And my good friend David Lynn sent me this one along with the other stove. It uses the Sternic cans. As you can see, I already got it set up. It's actually already lit up. So it shouldn't take as long to cook anything with this setup than it is with the other set with the tablets. Let me go ahead and get my stuff ready. I got my pot already. Let me add my stuff to it. Alright, I got it on there cooking. Shouldn't take as long. I can hear it popping in there, so see how long it's gonna take to start bubbling. Tomorrow I might do another video on some chicken and sausage gumbo. I'm not a big fan of gumbo, but I eat it from time to time. It's kind of windy out here today, so you can hear the flames being blown. Even though this is the open side. Let me go ahead and close that up. Put that like that. Don't say. My truck's not kind of balanced. Uh-oh. There it goes. It's percolating. Look at my trashy trailer. Need to get rid of that ice chest. It's trash. And those boards over there are trash. I think when I go back to the office today, I'm gonna chunk them in a dumpster. You got your meats, your vegetables. Ew, it's got green peas in there. Ugh, so disgusting. I love pot pies, but they always put too much green peas in there. It's steaming and percolating a little bit, but I take a little spoon in my mouth. Yeah, it's still cold. Seems like this one's taking a little longer to heat up. I can't see no flame, but I can hear it. It's percolating, but it's not getting hot enough. Plus, it's the first time of me using this, so I don't know if I should have the open side towards the wind or whatnot. Or it might be too much wind, I don't know. And I got celery in there too. A little warm. It'll take a few more minutes. I can feel the heat coming off it, but can't see it. I gotta start bringing my tripods when I do these videos at work. Keep the camera steady. It's a lot warmer than what it was. I noticed the one with the tablets, it seemed like it heated up faster, but didn't last as long. This is more for the long haul. It's warm, but it's not hot enough for my liking. The sad part about it is I had it burning way before I even started the video. Oh, it's starting to percolate now. I noticed they got an Ollie's up the street from me. Never seen one before out here. Now I'm gonna have to go take a ride over there one day and go check out what they got. Oh yeah, it's lunchtime now. I'll see y'all on the next one. Other than that, it works real good, but yeah, it's time to eat. Later.